01. Secrete. PLA Air Force Command and PLA Air Force Logistics Department, request for approval. Command Communication, 2007, number 115. Signed by Yang Guohai. Reviewed by Zhu Hongda. Submitting the project design task plan of the construction of communication and command and control system of the Nanjing Military Region Air Force Underground Command Post by the Air Force. General Staff, General Logistics Department. According to the Instruction Spirit of General Staff Communication, 2007, number 433, assigned the first batch of battlefield communication facilities construction projects of 2007, combined with the Air Force's anti-Taiwan isolation emergency combat preparation tasks, and by sorting out the operational requirements of the communication and command and control system of the Nanjing Military Region Air Force Underground Command Posts, the construction project design task plan is hereby submitted. This communication system construction project mainly includes infrastructure construction such as optical, electrical, transmission, satellite, and shortwave communication, application network construction such as program-controlled, manual, switching and video conference, and other supporting projects including communication power, etc. The command and control system construction project mainly includes integrated wiring, display control, and network equipment installation in the command posts. After the above tasks are completed, they can be interconnected with other systems in the region according to the requirements of the integrated command platform to meet the needs of combat command. According to the calculation, the above-mentioned construction projects will require a total construction expense of 47.28 million yuan. Please give instructions on whether this plan is appropriate. Attachment. The project design task plan of the construction of communication and command and control system of the Nanjing Military Region Air Force Underground Command Post. PLA Air Force Command and PLA Air Force Logistics Department. November 3, 2007. Attachment. The project design task plan of the construction of communication and command and control system of the Nanjing Military Region Air Force Underground Command Post. Number 1, Project Name. Construction of communication and command and control system of the Nanjing Military Region Air Force Underground Command Post. Number 2, Project Code 2705. Number 3, Construction Location Nanjing Baohua Mountain. Number 4, Construction Basis. General Staff Department's General Staff Communication, 2007, number 433, assigned the first batch of battlefield communication facilities construction projects of 2007, and the combat tasks and combat plans undertaken by this underground command post. Number 5, Construction Purpose. Through the construction of this project, the Nanjing Military Region Air Force Underground Command Post will have communication and command and control functions such as the transmission, processing, exchange of data, voice, and image information and shortwave transmitting and receiving to provide stable, reliable and uninterrupted command means for combat command. Number 6, Construction Scope and Contents. A. Communication System Construction. The construction of Command Post Communication Hub. Install 1 program-controlled 1024 switch, 1 ATM data switch, 1 digital security switch, 1 AI-powered switch, 1 command and dispatch system, and 1 video conference system. Install 1 satellite mobile cabin station, 10 PCM access devices, 1 ODF, 1 DDF, 1 MDF, and 2 sets of supporting equipments including rectifier power system, battery pack, UPS power supply, etc. The construction of receiver station. Install 10 1000-watt shortwave adaptive receivers, 2400-watt shortwave adaptive receivers, 1 centralized receiving console, and 30 shortwave integrated service terminals. Set up 9 receiving antennas of various types and 8 antenna splitters, and lay 6 kilometers of cables. Install 1 set of shortwave broadband optical fiber transmission equipment. Build 1 new lightning protection and grounding system for the antenna field. Install 2 AC power distribution cabinets. The construction of transmitter station. Install 10 1000-watt shortwave adaptive transmitters and 2400-watt shortwave adaptive transmitters. Set up 29 transmitting antennas of various types and 2 sets of antenna switching systems. Lay 15 kilometers of cables. Install 1 set of 622 megabits per second optical transmission equipment and 2 sets of PCM access equipment. Install 5 sets of shortwave broadband optical fiber transmission equipment. Build 1 new lightning protection and grounding system for the antenna field, and install 2 AC power distribution cabinets. Construction of optical cable lines. Lay 110 kilometers optical cables connecting the newly built transmitting/receiving stations with the underground command post, the Nanjing Air Force Base Command, the Baohuashan Maintenance Station of the Nanjing Military Region, and the local civil telecommunication optical cables. B. Command and Control System Construction. About 52,000 meters of shielded twisted pair cable, 8,000 meters of metal line pipe, 71,400 meters of video and audio cable, 1,500 sets of corridor trunking, 68 sets of wiring boxes, 1 fiber optic patch paneling, 1 set of voice wiring, 800 information modules, 100 floor-mounted optical outlet, 7 sets of wiring cabinets, 2 sets of UPS power supply, 1 set of wiring management system, 1 item of power supply for lead-in equipment, 1 set of special connectors, 4 sets of test instruments and construction tools, installation of special network, display control and security equipment for the Air Force, 1 item of system integration. Number 7. Warfare technology requirements. Through the construction of the project, requires new multi-route military optical cable to the local telecommunications company Dispatch Line Optical Cable, and open the main tunnel optical transmission system, the system capacity of not less than 10 G, new shortwave transceiver, transmitter station and other communication and control system. After the completion of the system, the Southern Air-Ground Command Post shall be equipped with communication and command and control functions such as data, voice, image information transmission, processing, exchange and shortwave communication so that it can provide stable, reliable and uninterrupted command means for combat command. Number 8. Estimated budget. The total construction cost is estimated to be 47.28 million yuan. Among them, the Command Post Communication Hub construction costs 11.15 million yuan, shortwave receiving station construction costs 3.06 million yuan, shortwave transmitting station construction costs 11.88 million yuan, route line construction costs 7.45 million yuan, command and control system construction costs 8.54 million yuan, other construction costs 2.4959 million yuan. Preparatory costs 2.251 million yuan. Number 9. Organization and implementation. The construction of the supporting communication and command control system of the South Air Ground Command Post is organized and implemented by the Communication Department of the Air Force Command. The Communication Engineering Design Institute of the Air Force Command is responsible for the design, and the units under the Air Force of Nanjing Military Region are responsible for the construction. Number 10. Schedule. Construction drawings will be completed by the end of December 2007, construction will begin in January 2008, and project construction will be completed in March 2008. Attachment. The project list of the construction of communication and command and control system of the Nanjing Military Region Air Force Underground Command Post. Keywords. Communication, command and control, construction projects, Nanjing Military Region Air Force Underground Command Post. Carbon copy, Operations Department and Communication Department of General Staff, Finance Department of General Logistics Department, Operations Department and Communication Department of the Air Force Command, Finance Department of Air Force Logistics Department. 9 copies in total. Project Owner, Communication Department of Air Force Command. Contact, Xiao Muji. Telephone 986523. Project Owner, Finance Department of Air Force Logistics Department. Contact, Zhang Jinshi. Telephone 725313.